For Aja Trier's Van Gogh Never Boldly Went in 50 by 50 cm rounds, we start the special treatment with some Mandarin pearls, and those are the orange drills we see on the canvas, and that will be placed on all of the letter V's on the canvas. That's a big letter V. For version 2, we now add gold crystals or yellow crystals on two codes on the canvas. The first one being capital L and the second asterisk. So we place those gold crystals on asterisk and big letter L on the canvas. And for version 3, we now add electric diamonds and just sprinkle it in the background to kind of give it some starry glow. So we've got twinkling stars in the background of this painting. So you can choose to place it only on the dark areas. That's with a letter M code, which is usually a 310 or a black. Or you can place them all over throughout the canvas, just scattered about to give it a nice glow.